Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. I feel like my lips are dry, y'all. Ooh. And don't worry about what my hair is doing. It's early. It's not really early, but I did just get out of bed. And I'm trying to get this video out for you guys. Do I know which month it is? No, but it'll be in the title. Because DERMA has been really late, but here it is. This is the DERMA. I'm gonna say it's August. Because it's September, I feel like it's August because they've been a month behind every single time. Well, for the second half of the year. So yeah, here it is. Hopefully it's good stuff. I'm using DERMA products on my skin. There were DERMA products in the giveaway. A lot less people entered than I thought. Even less people follow the instructions and the rules on how to enter, so technically didn't enter because you didn't comment your Instagram, and I said it multiple times. But go ahead, go off. But yeah, if you guys are ready to get into this DERMA August, I'm sure it's August. Influencer box, keep on watching. I don't know what I'm hoping for. My hair's not gonna look any better. It's so hot down here that I can't. I had a hot coffee. I literally have to throw that bitch over ice because it's just not working out. Hopefully this will be quick. Usually DERMA unboxings are. I want to do more stuff for you guys. Like literally, I've been having this Good Apple foundation and the powder for a while now. So the foundation's in 68 tan and this is in tan 170. I got this in a BoxyCharm and I bought this myself to go just to do a, you guys know I do a wear test. I just have not been able to scrape myself out of bed to do this because I usually start really early because they go for 13 hours. I got this viral TikTok camera, right? HD. It's supposed to be, it's supposed to be 4K vlog camera. I don't have a vlogging camera. It's real cheap. It doesn't even have a viewfinder. I started filming, like I did the unboxing part already. That footage is deleted because when I looked at the video from the camera, it was trash. And then I messaged the people who sold it and they're like, oh, send me a video or let me know, we'll have the technician look at it. But when I went to film yesterday, I just filmed some outside. I was like, hold up. After it focused, the video quality was better and the sound quality is better. Now I have been playing with the settings and asking Lynx, my photographer, what should I do? I'm trying to give it a fair shot, so maybe I'll use this to vlog the next game. The next home game is on the 23rd. I'll try to use this and I'll try to get some good footage. If it does really work, because it's under $100, I will show you guys and do giveaway on it so you guys can have one too. They do have black and they do have pink. And I saw purple. So y'all, you guys have options. But yeah, just keeping you guys updated on some content that I want to do. I've not been feeling better. My prescription did just get fixed. It has not been filled, but it's back to the right dose. So hopefully in a few weeks, everything will be good again. Yeah. Moving on. Sorry. All right, so let's get into this unboxing. I do want to say for like 20 minutes, I could not find my unboxing knife. That was kind of crazy and I was like, yo, but this room is a mess. I've been meaning to redo the entire room, but everything just costs so much money and I need help for that, so there's that. But I really do need to clean it up and put away my stuff. I just really need more storage, and that's that. So here we are. Trying to get a little thumbnail picture for that, but we'll see. I might still have to use my thing. This, I don't care for that. We have PayPal. What's this? All right, so we have... Okay, cool. I'm looking because, like, sometimes I buy stuff and then they turn out to be in the box, but whatever. So here we are. We have the first product. This is the Retinol Concentrated Serum. I already had this in one box. Sometimes they do repeat stuff. I don't know why. Maybe they repeat stuff because they go together with those select products of the month. I'm not 100% sure. But here it is. I remember it's a concentrated retinol serum. Yeah. Right. So this is the one you got to keep out of light. So it's why it's painted. I also have a vitamin C peel from DERMA, and I've been using it. It feels like something's happening. I don't feel like there's a peel. I'll do a whole video on that one day because the way to use it is kind of weird, but it looks similar like this, except the bottle is yellow. Tell me what y'all wanted to do. Here we go. So it's retinol boosting, and it's to reduce the depth of fine lines and wrinkles, refine tone and texture, increase cell turnover, and improve look of enlarged pores. And I need to use this because I feel like I have larger pores here. I don't know. It could just be me, but that's how I feel. So here's the first product. Next is an Ultra Lift Firming DERMA. I don't know what that means. Moisturizer. It says copper peptides. Ooh. I don't know if people with copper allergies can use this. I don't listen. There's other stuff I can't pronounce. Supports collagen and elastin health. So that means no more. Y'all, I'm gonna look young forever. So I'm assuming you can use this and then go ahead and use this. And it says apply rich layer onto clean face and neck. Use in the morning and evening. Works well. I hate when they say works well under makeup. I really hate that. Now we have to touch it. Right? So when it says like apply a rich layer, I'm assuming it's like the vitamin C overnight moisturizer where it's pretty thick and you really have to work it in. So no real smell. That's way too much. I can't put it back, so there's that. But here's how it looks. You guys see that? All right. Yeah, see? We're gonna work it in. Very moisturizing. So it's not like the vitamin C overnight mask, which definitely you cannot wear under makeup. Okay, I guess you can wear it under makeup. It's not too shiny, but you'll still need a primer. I still don't have a primer, so I'm looking at my calamine lotion because it's right there. But yeah, it feels pretty good. There's a very light scent. I don't know that if it's lavender. It could be, but it's very light, and it's not gonna kill you. It's not gonna kill me, and that's the most important part. So this is the last product. See, really quick these things go. This is why we talking all that talk in the beginning. It says, so this is the vitamin C concentrated serum with hyaluronic acid. So not only is it going to brighten your skin, it's going to give you a lot of moisture. It's really small compared to other serums that I have. Is it because it's really strong and it's really concentrated? I'm scared. Sometimes vitamin C stuff, I be really scared. Like it's going to burn the fuck out of me. But okay, so it says, apply onto clean face and neck. Use in the morning and evening, alone or in combination with your favorite DERMA moisturizer. So I have quite a bit of the vitamin C products. I have the mask. It says a daily mask and cleanser. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Sorry for my voice. I don't know what's going on. So I have that vitamin C daily mask and cleanser, which is like, I've used it on this channel before. It's pretty thick, but it also has like not like a micro exfoliant, but it has like the micro beads to exfoliate. So it's a little weird how something like that could be like a daily cleanser, but it's really not that harsh. I did go in with the micro exfoliant today that they have, so it's really, really fine. And if you have sensitive skin, they tell you to, don't apply too much pressure. I did use that this morning, so it's not as harsh as the daily cleanser, but I did use it yesterday, and I put it on as like a cleanser. I let it sit, let the mask get a little dry, and I washed it off. I didn't really notice too much of a difference, but I also don't use it often, so there's that. I have the vitamin C overnight moisturizing mask. That is nice. It feels really good. None of these things have really heavy scent. And I also have the vitamin C like peel. Like I was explaining, like I really have to show you guys in literally a dedicated video of how I use it. I've used it maybe 4 or 5 times. I'm afraid to use it more than once a week. I don't think you're supposed to. And I'm also very cautious as to what products I can use with it, because if it's a peel and it does tingle, like even when you wash it off, it's giving some tingle. I'm just afraid that I'm going to use something with, like, I don't use any exfoliating products with that. I'm just afraid it's going to tear up a layer of my skin and I'm going to be ugly forever. But yeah, so all of those products, I guess I could try to use them all together. I'm pretty scared. I don't know. I think everything except for that peel mask, that's not really a peel. I don't know. I don't know that I can use them together. But it doesn't tell you how many times a day to use it. Or a week. But it's really, really small. So I don't really know. So it supports collagen health, minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles, while improving the appearance of uneven skin tone, which is what I want. I also have that scar gel, and I find that when I use that, maybe because this weather is stupid. Maybe because I use that, I don't know if it makes my skin feel more oily. I'm definitely more oily during the day. Oh, I forgot. I have the vitamin C moisturizer with sunscreen in it. That absolutely oily. Definitely leaves a purple hue on your face. But who cares, right? So I have those products with the vitamin C. But see, look at this, is tiny. Use morning and evening. I think if you use it morning and evening, it's going to be completely done. Yeah. It's such little product. I'm assuming you use very little because it's concentrated. But I don't know. I do not know. I do not know. But that's it. They just gave me 3 products. I think it's been 3 consistently. Twice now I've had a repeat, which is okay. But I'm definitely going to try these 2 products. And this one, I think I gave the other one away to my friend. I was like, here, so your black don't crack. Anti-wrinkle. So I'm going to use this. Guys, how old am I going to be if I use this? I know y'all know. But that's it for this video. Here are the 3 products. I'm really trying to get a thumbnail picture, and I feel like they not working. They're not thumbing. The nails is not thumbing. And that's fine. I do want to say, while there was only one winner of my skincare giveaway, if you guys go back to that video, while I'm getting unready, I literally dropped, I'm telling you, I be dropping little secret giveaways, and y'all didn't hear because there was only going to be one winner. Obviously, it's not going to be $150 worth of skincare, even though it's over $150 worth of skincare. You'll definitely get something. I'm thinking maybe like a virtual Ulta gift card. I'll reach out to you, get your email, whatever. But go back to that video where I announced the giveaway rules. And while I'm taking off my makeup, I throw a little question out there. Go to that video and comment down below in this one the answer to that question. I'll reach out to you and give you guys an Ulta gift card. And I use Ulta because you can buy makeup, you can buy skincare, whatever. So go back to that video, comment down below on this one the answer. If you get it right, I'll reach out to you. You guys already know. Try to get your info to get you that gift card. If none of you do it, or very few people do it, I'll pick the person who gets the closest. Just because I feel like, I know a lot of people was like waiting for that. But there's another chance to win something. So go back to the video and check it out. But that is it, guys. I am dying. It's so hot. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.